lighter.
Use
Just
that
that
one. Use that one.
Here, Mike, I'll pour in the...
Baking.
I think Mike can pour it. If you guys
Baking.
want it, that's okay.
No, it's fine.
Where's the beaker that you're putting the baking soda?
Yeah, you might want to put that in.
Like
Yeah,
in
go
a
ahead,
balloon.
Keenan.
Don't drop it, Keenan. Like, ours is so good.
Cranford.
Go here.
No, I know, but put it on.
I think
I'm
that's
taking
good.
a
That's
video.
enough.
You like?
All right, all right, guys, back up, please. Back up.
Keenan. It's like it does in his bag.
I think we put a fork in there.
I call him not for making sense.
No, because then
It won't even make it up.
Don't drop the beaker, please.
Yeah,
Back up, please. Guys, back up.
Having second thoughts, you're not gonna
And a couple higher than...
No, we have to put the beaker in. There you go. Now pour it
All right, then
Go!
lift that.